Hello everyone and welcome to the top FPV videos of the week. I am your host Chandler, and today we got some of the top FPV videos from across the internet. But first we are going to continue with our special announcement. That's right, City of STEM, April 2nd, Columbia Memorial Space Center in Downey, California. We're going to have a flying piñata parade, drone race, box of boom, and Battle of Sleigh drone jousting. Starts at 10 a.m. till 4 p.m. Be sure to come on by, check it out, bring the family. It's a free event. Be sure to check out more information at cityofstem.org. Now back to the show. We got a really great show for you this week. Some really top videos. First off, we're starting you out with Arve Bjornerud. Sorry if I butchered that name, Arve, but he's got a Lego drone. That's right, an FPV Lego drone. Check it out. Wow, Arve, you made every kid's dream come true. Be sure to check out his YouTube link in the bio. Legos have no end to them, do they? Next up, we have Kale Reifsynder. Super sick drift video. He's got those Tokyo drift angles. Check him out.
We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, still breathing, standing up, everybody's gonna see it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
Kale, oh my goodness, those are the moves I'm talking about. I love it that you get really that angle on top of the car, adjusting. That takes some serious skills. Be sure to check out Kale's information in the bio. Next up, we have a very interesting video. All the way from, I gotta make sure I get this right. Kaba Kobe, Nigeria. We have, sorry, I got the name down here. Adebayo Kehinde Sunday, and he's got his very own FPV drone. Check him out. that's what this show's all about. It's not just about showcasing the best FPV videos with the best equipment and the best resources. We even like to showcase some of the smallest videos out there. Mr. Sunday, keep it up. You're going to be sure to progress that FPV inside Africa. Good luck. Be sure to check out his information in the bio. And finally, we have Chandler Collier. He has a great one-shot video through an off-road store. Check him out. Chandler, that is the exact type of video I like to showcase on this show. These one-shot videos are so hot right now. You had such good angles, such good lines, and way to take it to that back area where those people were working on those bikes. It's a great way to showcase a business. So if you're a business owner out there, be sure to check out pilotsanddrones.com to get the best FPV pilots out there. Well, that's going to do it for us this week on the top FPV videos of the week. Be sure to click and subscribe. And always remember to just send it.